Hello guys, welcome to Jaayshaa Tells. As yesterday we talked about the market levels of the Bank Nifty, and today is 28th September, Saturday. Basically, market is closed today. But yesterday we discussed about the levels of the Bank Nifty and how gonna it perform. So let's first of all, I'll talk that about in a bit later. Let's first of all go to 1 day time frame and I'll see how the market has closed. So as you can see, after a big rally, there is finally a one big red candle that market has given precisely. I think it's it could be, retracement or could be, sell-off of the profit booking sharing as there has been no profit booking since many days, 12 September, almost a month, there is no profit booking and market is coming towards end. And so, yeah, big players could be thinking of booking profits. So this could be the first sign of the profit booking in market in after many days. So as you can see, there is a big red candle engulfing 2 days green candle. So this is a good time for profit booking. I'll say if you are a bit risk taker, you can hold a bit more. So let's go to 50 minutes and analyze more. So first of all, I gave you these levels I gave you these levels for the market. If market comes to these level, you can see a buy off or something like that. So first of all, if you see when market opened. First red candle was made, market opened a bit gap down. First red candle was made, and afterwards market came to this region. The region I gave made it yesterday only. You can see yesterday's video. I made this region yesterday only, and as you can see, market has well respected this level and gave at most 150 points short, 150 points pullback. You could easily scalp if you are a scalper. This is more than enough for you. If I go to 5 minute time frame and then see it, you can see it more clearly. As you can see, what a beautiful uh, respect market has given to this level, as you can see from here. So I just wanna wait a second here. See what a beautifully market has given respect to this level. As you can see, then it again came down. But you could also predict how much it could have gone up if you in market level at market when market was live. If you made a Fibonacci retracement from here, just a sec. Fibonacci retracement from here to here. You can see market has taken a resistance from zero point 0.5 level. That's what I do when I make levels. I only take this level 0.5 to 0.382. You could have also have taken this level, as you can see. If you were in live in market, if market would have broken this level, you can go for a long side trade. Then market would have easily touched this level. But market didn't break this level. In the live market, if you made this level, you could have easily decided where side to go. Market couldn't break this level. Just a sec. Market couldn't break this level as you can see from here, and market came down to this level and consolidated here. As soon as market consolidated here and breakdown, as you can see, multiple time market have trapped here. As soon as market consolidated and trapped people, consolidated and gave a breakdown here, you could have easily made more than 200 to 300 points, 400 points market. And but I said yesterday, if market break this level, the only first support I can see is this level that market has respected very well too. You all can see this in yesterday's video. I always said this in yesterday. These rectangles are made yesterday only. These are not made today. So you can see market has well respected this level and given. If market would have broken this level, but that's too much of a crash for today. If market somehow would have broken this level, the next target I would easily can see is this level. Around 700 points down, 553,000 would be the next target of the levels. But I think you should wait till the market gives the one closing below this level, then you can go for this level 53,000. But as you can see how market well respected all the levels that I gave you yesterday. And if you would have traded on these levels, you can easily made some good money for a scalping. This level is very much nice. You could have easily made a scalp when this candle break down and put the stop loss below this region and easily also could have taken 100 points, 180 points good for a scalper. But if market would have broken this level, I'll tell you in the live market what you have to do. If a market is giving a retracement, just make a Fibonacci and see if market breaks the zero point 0.3 level with a strong bullish candle, then you can go for a upside. But market didn't broke that level. Instead, market consolidated here. It means market consolidated multiple times the trapped people here. If market consolidated here, it means market has to go down and again consolidated in this region and give breakdown downwards. So it's very clear that very obvious that how market works and easily. So let's talk about next level. Now, if I go to 15 minutes first of all. If now market has given us such a big downward sell, so I'll make a Fibonacci from here to here. So first level we can see, I'll leave these levels for clearance. This level is very crucial. We will maintain this level for some few days. But first market has to go down. It has to take a retracement, I suppose. So good level for that is a market opens a bit of positive and then comes to this region somewhere here. Just a second. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, if market somewhere comes till this level and take somewhere come this and consolidates and then come down, it would be a great. It would be great for you. It would be very great. It would be very great for you to like you go for downtrend because it's very healthy price action. You can see almost at this pivot level, the level I go till pivot. See the pivot levels are also made on Fibonacci and see how well pivot level works with my Fibonacci. Like you can make a pivot levels yourselves only. Yeah. So markets, if a market opens a big, small gap up, you can wait till you can go short until the market comes this level. If market breaks it up, then you can see a retracement. Then market will go till somewhere here, 54,600. I see the first resume target. But if market consolidates it and give a break, then you can go, then you can go for downside. First target would be this. If market breaks this also, then you can go for a big target somewhere here. But what if market only if market opens gap down, then you what you have to do? If market opens somewhere in this region, I would say I am assuming 100 200 points gap down is market opening on an average. If market opens somewhere here, what you have to do is you have to wait till market again comes back to this region, consolidates a bit, and then goes downward because the see big players do not just sell at they get them in the morning and they say let's sell now. They have their fixed levels. They have to buy positions on a fixed level. They do not buy on market levels. They buy on some fixed levels they have made. So if they have to go down, if market has respected this level, there would be something that stopped this rally somewhere here. So if market has to go down, if the market opens gap down, then it will come in this region back, trap some players, and then go downwards till this level. But if market opens upwards, then we have just a second, we have this level here. We have this level here, yeah. We have to wait if market opens somewhere in this region. If market goes downwards, then you can market go downward, then you can take a retest and then wait for a retest and then make a downside entry. If market opens somewhere in this level and going upward, you have to wait till market comes in this region, consolidates and then break downside, and then you have to go for short. This would be a very healthy and very safer option for you. A bit very safer option for you. So yeah, this is the thing. Now we'll talk. This is all about Bank Nifty. Market has given some good retracement. We can accept some big levels downside. So let's think of Nifty. So yeah, Nifty was a bit sideways to bearish because this was also bearishness of also because of Bank Nifty. Otherwise, Nifty would have been sideways. So first level, I think market should come till this zone I have made. If market comes, you can go for a scalp for a upside because it is a good level and good buying level. Still, market hasn't given much retracement from here. You can see almost 0.3 level. Yeah, it has touched. If market has to go upside, it has to come till this region and then go. And until you can make your next target this year only, Nifty hasn't much to tell, but Bank Nifty is in a very good position. You can really think of it. Very good price action has been made by Bank Nifty. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and comment anything more you want and some recommendations for me. Hope next see you in next video.